This is a quintessentially British institution, Lincoln's Inn, part of the Inns of Court, where law students had been coming from time immemorial when Edward Coke became Speaker of the House of Commons, and that was under Elizabeth I. This building dates from the reign of Henry VII. One of the strange things, in Coke's time, some of the finest legal minds in Britain, people with important government jobs, members of Parliament, came here to teach for free. Why did they do it? Well, you can just call it cultural capital, but it's more specific than that. It's because they were convinced that the rule of law is important. It's not just what it says in the law books, but whether what it says in the law books are followed. Now, there are things about law in Coke's day that would not have met our standards in every respect. Coke himself boasts that the law of England doesn't permit torture, but he knew perfectly well that the King's prerogative did permit it. As Attorney General, he prosecuted cases where people had been tortured. Defendants in Coke's day couldn't call witnesses in their own cases. And at Lincoln's Inn Fields, right near here, some executions were carried out in those days with methods that we would consider inappropriate. But we shouldn't regard people in Coke's day as either fools or hypocrites. The fact that they were sincere about the importance of the rules, and the sense that everybody had that this was an important principle, not just for the average man, but for the monarch as well, may have taken a while to work out all the details and see to it that it was enforced, but that conviction carried through and gave us the legal system that we have today. It's one more thing that we inherited from Great Britain, and one more thing we should be very glad we did.